Welcome back. In an otherwise strong market, Zee is the stock which is under pressure ahead of its earnings. The street doesn't expect too much this time around. They expect the company to report a rather weak quarter. Management commentary for the future will be important. For all the key expectations, Nupur joins us. Nupur.
Well, it will be a weak quarter for Zee Entertainment on expected lines due to macroeconomic conditions, but management commentary in terms of ad revenue outlook will be important. Yesterday, we saw Sun TV's management saying ad revenues are back to 80% of pre-COVID levels and subscription revenues could be better in second quarter of FY21. But our poll suggests revenues down 33%, operating profits down over 50% and margins at 24%. And as a result, profits down 52%. Ad revenues will remain under pressure, street expecting a decline of 45%, but subscription revenue to see a growth of 8 to 10% in quarter one. Margins to decline on higher content costs, but keep an eye on provisions on overdues, receivables, one-off and most important, auditor's opinion. Also, balance sheet status will be important, cash flows as well as inventory levels. Management commentary, as I said, will be important for ad revenue outlook as well as subscription revenue outlook from the company, so keep an eye on that. But you remember, stock is one of the underperformers, but it has gained in last few trading sessions, but it continues to trade at multi-year valuations of just 9 times FY22 expected earnings.
Well, the Supreme Court will continue to hear the AGR case at 2 p.m. today. Rima joins us to tell us what's on the agenda. Rima?
Well, some of the questions, which we will seek answers in the Supreme Court hearing is who pays for RCOM's dues? RCOM's dues stand in excess of 25,000 crore rupees, and the big question is Reliance Jio liable to make those payments? Because remember, Jio and RCOM entered into a spectrum sharing and trading agreement in 2016. The Supreme Court has said Jio is using the spectrum and therefore it's liable to pay, while Reliance Jio is saying that as per the guidelines, we are paying the spectrum usage charge and hence we are not liable. So how does the government recover money from these bankrupt companies? That's going to be crucial. And is Jio liable to pay? That is going to be key. Another aspect is who owns the spectrum? Is it owned by the government? Is it a sovereign asset? And therefore, if it is, can it really be sold under the IBC route? Because that has implications for any recovery of money for lenders like a State Bank of India under the NCLT or under the IBC route.
All right, so that's about the AGR case. We will keep an eye out on that. Meanwhile, a lot of stocks are doing well from the broader markets. The Nifty holding up with a gain of almost 75 odd points. We'll wrap up on this edition of Chartbusters. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Trading Hour comes up next.